Gonna come down the jungle path. See what we can get to on here. Oh, bloody fully folded over here. Oh, raw, I can't even get out of here. Oh my days. Okay, we're gonna come around here. Go around to the other side. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. As you just seen there, I'm getting hit by Storm Goretti at the moment. Came out just after this just to start the kind of watch and you just see how it goes. This one, guys. All the green bamboo is fully leant over. That's the waggy. That's like 2.5 foot tall. And that bamboo is like, oh, I don't know, like 15 foot tall. Ouch. It is about 9 o'clock at night, and we are quite snowed in, probably about 2 to 3 inches now. Just coming back here, you can just see the bamboo fully leant over. I can barely get through there. That's the waggy covered. Yeah, we are getting some snow. Give you an update in a couple hours and see kind of where we're at, but thought I'd show you that for now. Well guys, so it's now about 11, something like that. Been about 2 hours since our sort of last video, as you can see. Yeah, we're fully leant over on a lot of the plants. Look at the tree fern there. I mean, good few inches, very wintry. Gonna be knocking off some of these bits of snow. Just using a broom at the moment, just relieving some of that pressure on some of these plants. And hopefully, again, I mean, you know, it's going to melt by the morning anyway, so it's not something you have to do or nothing like that. But, you know, while it's still coming down quite heavy, I figure if I can give it a little bit of an aid, then hopefully it will just help it from causing too much damage. I mean, you can see, look at the little 1 foot here. I mean, fully leant over. Yeah, it's maybe not the best when you're looking at it and banging your plants with a broomstick here, but again, just going to try and aid these plants a little bit if I can. Appreciate, you know, we're going to get a new flush on the tree ferns. Not a big deal, but again, if we can just help them, as we're going to get a fair amount of snow for the moment. You know, next sort of few hours, we are expected to get another good few inches. So, I mean, even the quarter line here, you see I've wrapped up. Just give it that little aid. What we'll do is probably go around and knock it off on a few more plants, give you an update, either in a couple more hours or in the morning, and just kind of see kind of where we get to. So back here giving you an update. It's 8:30 in the morning here, coming to you, and you can just see it has stopped snowing now. Temperature has gone up to a sort of 2 or 3 degrees C. You can see all the snow is just fully leant over on the shamrocks there. You can see where the snow we've knocked off has made an effect. Looking at the jungle area, did manage to get out and get the snow off of most of the tree ferns last night. But taking a look, things like the bamboo here has absolutely pulled it straight to the ground. This is kind of normal for sort of heavy snow and should bounce back. But looking at the jungle area, you can just see fully leant over, could barely get into there. And as we look at the bamboo here, it's just fully parted. Coming back to you about midday on this one. I'll show you here now, it is around about sort of midday. You just saw our little morning update. You can see snow is starting to melt now. As you can see, good few inches. It has leant over the plants as well. For the most part, it does seem most of the tree ferns back here were unaffected. You can see this budula branch, which is snapped, which we'll come around and take a look at. Shamrocks here, you can just see where the snow has really impacted that. I'm going to go around, get the last of that melting snow off of the tree fern here. But just as we come back down here, just to show you that bamboo, again, even after a few hours, you can see it's literally sort of like divided it in half here and kind of split it down underneath, if you can just see. Try and come around here. You can see it's very, you know, kind of a very white background now. But yeah, if we look under here, you can just see our plants that we protected all up under there, and hopefully they've done okay and not been completely flattened by the bamboo. Yucca does appear our cover has come off of that. And obviously this is, you can just see now, I can't even get in there to show you. But things like this just down here, that is the waggy, which again, what we'll do is try and remove some of that snow, let that come back up. Hopefully, once again, that will be all right. In fact, we can probably take that off now, as snow-wise, we should be okay for the moment, which you can just see. It has lented over a little bit here, but that should fix itself and kind of bend itself. Once again, it's kind of the weight of the snow, which I'll need to do the same thing on the Butia here, just to remove that. Luckily, our little barrier over some of the arid plants has worked fairly well. You can just see Puntia somehow not been sort of affected by the snow, and things in there look okay. But once again, we will know towards spring really what's kind of done okay and what's not. But as you can see, as we just kind of look back across here, yeah, fair bit of snow. A lot of it has melted off, the things like the trackies and the quarter lines now. But again, just hoping this kind of does a little bounce back. Unfortunately, it's the weight of the snow that's going to be sort of causing the problems here. You can see even on our bar in the back, it has actually shut the lid of the bar. So we need to go check that as well. But once again, you can just see here quite a bit of snow. See where that branch has sort of broken on the budula there. That's what we'll need to do, is kind of go around and do a bit of a tidy up today. Hopefully the snow will melt and allow some of this stuff to kind of bounce back. Again, in the back there, you can just see even things like the Nadina. Hopefully that hasn't sort of snapped back there. What we'll do is just take a quick little walk to the back of the bar area, just assess any sort of damage that we might have on there. Once again, it's the weight of the snow that's going to cause the problems over anything here. Just so we come back down this way. Just take a quick look here, just see what we can see, if anything. Again, water's still flowing all right, which is always a positive, keeping that pond all right. But yeah, down the jungle path now, you can just see there's absolutely no way of getting through there. It does look like snow's kind of avoided most of these tree ferns, which again, we'll go around and kind of get that out. Robolini under here, we've got some snap branches. You can see with the weight of the snow has pulled that down, but hopefully center spear in there will be okay. The other one, I mean, you can just see here, this Nadina on the ground, which hopefully back. That weight of that snow, hopefully will bounce that back. But once again, it's going to be today, because clearing the snow off a lot of plants and things like that. Be interested to know in the comment section kind of how much snow you've got, kind of what the storm Goretti's effects were on your garden, if you've had any damage like this here. Once again, of course, also check out the friends of the channel. They'll be in the comment section below. Be interested to see how everyone else has fared. And with that said, got a few more videos coming out soon. So keep an eye on the channel. And of course, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Oh, you got me. Oh, not that one. That's a big one.